What if you woke up at 40? Never had to work again? No boss, no meetings, no alarm clock. Just freedom, and maybe too much time to overthink life. Imagine waking up one morning. No alarm clock. No commute. No stressful calls. You are free. While others are stuck in traffic, you make coffee slowly. Like a person in a retirement commercial. At first, it sounds amazing. You can travel, spend time with family, start hobbies, take guilt-free naps. Basically, you become a financially responsible house cat. But how could this actually happen? To retire at 40, you need enough money invested to cover your lifestyle for decades. Not months or years, but decades. Your investments must generate income. Stocks, index funds, real estate, dividends, business income. Your money has to work, because you no longer want to. This is where compound growth becomes powerful. If you invest early and consistently, your money can grow over time. At first, it grows slowly. Then faster. Suddenly, your portfolio starts doing more work than you do. Beautiful, yet slightly insulting. But retiring early has risks. What if the market crashes? What if inflation rises? What if healthcare costs explode? What if you get bored? Here's something nobody talks about. Work is annoying, but it gives structure. When you retire early, every day becomes Saturday. After a while, Saturday can feel weird. You might ask yourself, who am I without work? What is my purpose? Why did I reorganize the garage for fun? Early retirement is not just a money decision. It is a lifestyle decision. Some would thrive. They travel, build businesses, create art, volunteer, spend time with family. Others might feel lost. Retiring from work is easy. Retiring to something meaningful is harder. So, the real question is not, what if you retired at 40? It is, what would you actually do with freedom, once you had it? Consider what you truly want. Visualize your ideal life. Then take action today to reach that goal. Go after what makes you happy. Ready to explore freedom? Act now. Invest wisely and take control of your future. Don't wait. Your journey to retirement can start today. Comment below and share your path today.